Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Rosy Gold Nouveau Curve Massager. So let's get started. So this is the Rosy Gold Nouveau Curve Massager itself. As you can see, it's got a gorgeous rosy gold colour. And you can enjoy all intimate moments alone or with your partner. It's the ideal toy for external stimulation. The vibrating head has 10 settings which you can, in addition to your clitoris, stimulate other sensitive parts such as the nipples. It's made of a soft silicone and feels really soft and comfortable when using. The head is also flexible, and this curve massager has a powerful motor. That also means it's suitable for body massages as well. So to turn on, press once on the bottom button and it's on. To change the settings, it's really easy to do. Click on the top button and choose your desired setting. To turn off, press once on the bottom button again and it's off. When using the Rosy Gold Nouveau Curve Massager, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. To charge, it's also really simple and easy to do using the USB charging cable provided. Simply pop it in like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. And that is the Rosy Gold Nouveau Curve Massager. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.